Yes, good. Yes, Anushka, you are visible. Good morning, everyone, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, as you know, I want Karnav, everyone, please turn on the cameras. Rudra Chacharia, are you there now? Please turn on your camera, everyone. Yes. My board is visible clearly to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any kind of network issue, or you are not able to see my board, or is there any blur?
No, ma'am.
Please let me know. Okay. So, children, as you know that we have completed the chapter number 10 with the tens and hundreds. Now we are moving. Freya, you are late in the class. Make that. Please remove this background. Chapter number 10, tens and hundreds related with decimals. We have done all the operations related with decimals, subtraction, addition, comparison, multiplication. There you are late in the class. Multiplication, division, all the operations related with decimals we have completed in the class. Now we are moving to the next chapter, chapter number 11. What is the name of this chapter?
Area and boundary. Area and its boundary.
Area and its
Area and
boundary.
boundary.
Yes. What do you mean? What are we going to find in this chapter, Dhyan Dalal, in area and boundary? Dhyan Dalal. I've already announced the name of the child.
Okay.
Dhyan Dalal, what do
Ma'am,
you
we are going to see the boundaries, perimeter,
mean?
area in this chapter.
Yeah, boundary. And Vivan Balchandani, you will tell me in which case we have to find area and in which case we have to see about the boundary. Can you give me some examples that, ma'am, if I want to do this, then I will have to find out perimeter. If I want
And
to
I
do this,
can't understand the question.
the question is in which case you want to require to find the area and in which case you were required to find the perimeter. पेरीमीटर की जरूरत कहाँ पड़ती है निकालने की, एरिया की जरूरत कहाँ पड़ती है, कहाँ आपको एरिया निकालना है, इन विच केस, बिकॉज आई नो यू आर लर्निंग अबाउट दी पेरीमीटर और एरिया, पर पेरीमीटर और एरिया का एप्लीकेशन कहाँ है, वेयर वी हैव टू अप्लाई. खेमना, यू आर लेट इन द क्लास. Where we have to apply about the perimeter and the area? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Gunav, are you ready to tell me? Gunav, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, land.
What?
Land. Ma'am, land measurement.
Land measurement. Okay. Yes, Samriddhi. Gunav, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I was saying the example of boundary. When I have to check what boundary, like I have to do party and that I had a tent in a garden. So I need how many people can come in the area.
Then it's the area.
Sorry, so what is
Can I say one?
Yes, please, Trisha.
Ma'am, when we have to find the area of and carpet,
Mm-hmm.
then we have to take the
Means
area.
if you want to floor your with the carpet, cover the floor with the carpet,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
want to go by the carpet, then in that case you need to find the area. Can anyone give me example of the perimeter? Where,
Ma'am.
Priya? Yes, please.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, if you want to put a fence around your garden, then you have to check the perimeter of it.
Yes. Yes, Khevna. Can you give me one example of perimeter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your there is a house. There is a house, and there is a pool. So they want to build a pool in the like they want to make a pool in that, but they don't. They have all that perimeter. So they don't know how big it is. There is a hole. So inside.
If they want to make the swimming pool, they mean they have to fill the inside. If they want to find the inside how much it will be, then it will be area.
No, ma'am. They have not built yet. They want to
Okay,
build.
to buy. They
So,
want to build. Okay.
So they want the perimeter of that, so they can cut out. Example.
Okay, they can see how much big it will be.
Yes.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ayush
please, I can
Singhania.
tell.
Ayush Singhania. Can you give me the any example of area or the perimeter? Anyone?
Sir, ma'am, uh, uh, a, a farmer wants to put a fence because he was getting irritated from sheep, from the sheep leaving the farm. That's why he wanted to lay a fence. So he has to know the perimeter to lay the fence.
Okay.
By
Yes,
the
Gunav.
Ma'am, please,
Oh,
I
no,
can
not
tell.
Gunav. Sorry, not Gunav. Dharya.
Ma'am, perimeter is used to find the part of the outside part, and area is used to find the inside part.
Okay. Can you give me any example
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
outside and the inside?
Like there is a cricket ground. There is a cricket ground, and they want, and besides there is a basketball ground. So what happens sometimes, because of boys they get disturbed. So they made so they find the perimeter and made a complex type.
Okay.
And
They make the boundary.
yeah,
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
please, may I
children,
can tell.
yes, Lakshya is the last now to give the example. Then we
Ma'am,
move to the topic.
if we have to make a society, we have to take both area and perimeter, because we have to make make a big society, and we have to make in inside there are 4 buildings,
Okay.
and house also we have to find the perimeter and area
See,
also.
now I will give you one example. Suppose I have one card. I have one card. I want to only decorate the borders of that card. So in that case, I will make the area, find the area or the perimeter of that card.
perimeter.
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 If I want to decorate the same card inside,
area.
Area.
now this I have made a figure in front of you, right? Now I don't know what is this line and what is this line, and I even don't know what is length and what is breadth, right? I don't know these two terms also, and I am blank for this, but I want to find the this perimeter as you said. So what I will do, I don't know what is the length of this any centimeter and that. Okay, so in that case what I will do, I will take the squares, small squares of 1 centimeter, right? Standard squares 1 centimeter. So what I will do, I will keep on making the standard squares of 1 centimeter around it. Okay, and then I made here like this also 1 centimeter. So when I have done this, I have done incomplete now. It is not complete, right? And if I complete in this way only, full this figure, by this much only, will you able to tell me what will be the area of this figure?
Ma'am, 12.
12 square centimeter. 12
12
square
square
centimeter.
Ma'am,
12
36
square
square centimeter. Ma'am, 36. 36 centimeter.
Daria, how much?
12 square centimeter.
How 12 you just
Ma'am,
added?
36.
Ma'am, 24.
Ma'am, 36. Ma'am, 36.
24.
6
36
are here and 6 multiplied by 6.
36 square centimeter.
So it will be 36 square centimeter. अगर आप इसको पूरा कवर कर लोगे तो you will see it will give you 36 squares. but I have not covered. I have taken 6 in the lengthwise and 6 in the breadthwise. So 6 multiplied by 6 is
multiply by
equal to
breadth is
36
equal to answer.
square
Ma'am,
centimeter.
if it's the both the 6 and it's 6, then there is no length in breadth now, right? If
What you are
then
saying?
it's a square.
What you are saying?
If both of the if the length of both are 6 centimeter, then it's not.
Then it's a
It
square.
doesn't have length in breadth. Nah, its side has side multiplied by side.
But but if it is a square, side multiply by side, but that side is a length and the side is the breadth also, no?
Yeah.
है ना? We have done, no? We are using the different name, length and breadth.
That's why.
But whether it is a square figure or a rectangle figure, ये length तो length ही रहेगी, breadth तो breadth ही रहेगी. But we are, for differentiation, we are calling sides in the square, and in the rectangle we are calling length and breadth. But ultimately they are length and breadth only of the figure, na? Am I clear? Any doubt, Anya Mittal?
Ma'am,
No,
Yes.
doubt.
Any doubt to any child till here?
Kevna.
So yes, Kevna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We had to find the perimeter, right? So why did
Yeah.
we write area?
First, oh sorry, no, I have find the. I've told you, no, the squares. And
Yes,
if I want
ma'am.
to fill this, if I want the internal, then I find the area. Now, same question. If I tell you to find the perimeter, tell me what will be the perimeter? What will be the perimeter of this figure?
ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aryaman.
Ma'am, L into B.
Don't go with the formula.
30
Formula में मत जाओ.
multiplied by
Aryaman, squares से. Squares देखते हुए ही only you have to see the squares in the length and squares in the breadth and tell me what will be the perimeter of this figure. Yes, Ekansh.
24
Yes, ma'am, 24. Ma'am, 24. Ma'am,
24
centimeter.
centimeters.
24 centimeter,
24
not
centimeter.
square centimeter, because it's a
Ma'am,
perimeter.
Ma'am,
How? Yes, I will come on how. See, 6 in the length, 6 in the breadth. Then again, this way also will be 6 and this way also will be 6. So if two sides are given, the other two sides you can easily calculate. And out, you have to just plus the outside boundary. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 6 plus 12.
6 by 4.
Alaksha, pay attention in the class. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. This is the outside boundary. Got it?
Yes,
Aryaman. Now find the perimeter of this. Sorry. So perimeter and the area is done of the square. So write the formula. This is the formula. Length into, now we are coming on the formula. Area of a square. Please write in your notebooks. Take out your notebooks, everyone. Area of a
Side
square
multiplied by side.
equals to side multiplied by side. And perimeter of a square equals to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. This is also the formula. Or 2 times length, 2 times breadth. So what you do, take the 2 common, length plus breadth. So here length plus breadth, what I told you, 6 plus 6, right?
Yes.
For example, 6 plus 6 was the length. So now 2 multiplied by 6 plus 6 is 12. In this case, when we have put the length equals to 6,
we need to multiply by 2.
yes, so it will be 24 centimeters. And if it is meters, then write meters. If it is kilometers, write kilometers. Whatever the unit is being used in the question, you have to write the same unit in the answer. Suppose the length equals to 6 centimeter and breadth is also the 6 centimeter. So the perimeter will be this. These two question statements, please write it in your notebook. How this formula has come? 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So 2 times length and 2 times breadth, we take the 2 common and we plus the length and breadth. This is we are doing with the formulas. I have explained you practically also what is the perimeter and what is the area. Anya Mittal, I request you to please write in your notebook. Don't simply sit in the class.
Ma'am,
I'm
but
not
in
giving any lecture. Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, but in perimeter of the square, last time you said that we can also do side multiply by 4.
Huh? 4 multiply by side. Sorry. We are doing, wait. Let me come to the next. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. Sorry. Yes. Because in the square, you will only get one side. Side equals to 6, suppose. 6
Ma'am, side
centimeters.
is equal to
Because length and breadth you will get in the rectangle, na? Perimeter of a square,
the
sorry.
side is 4.
Yeah, 4 multiplied by side. Sorry, yeah. So 4 times it is a one side. So 4 times one side is 24 centimeter. Please do this correction. Because square has 4 sides, and in the square, when you get the information, you will get the information of one side only, not all the sides. So if one side is given to you, you have to multiply it with the 4 because all the 4 sides are same in the square. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
Ma'am, I think the perimeter's spelling is wrong.
Perimeter. It's almost correct. Let's check. Perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter of a square. Don't write this. Just a minute. Then we go to the rectangle. This is square. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And same here,
Done,
you will solve this also. Side multiply by side means 6 multiply by 6. And 6 into 6 is 36 square centimeter. Solve this area with this given information and find the perimeter also with the given information. Can I write little big or it is understood to you all?
Yes, it's understood. And what we have to write?
I will write here up. See here. Area of a square equals to side multiplied by side. And the side is given 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter is equals to 36 square centimeter. So with the given information, you have to find the area and find the perimeter of a square. Suppose children, what happen is this is also one shape, right? And this is also this. Suppose what happen is क्या करते हैं हम just we see that this is in this shape and this is like this big लग रहा है length में. So we see this is the bigger, right, in the area or in the perimeter. Until and unless we are not calculating in the proper way, तो हम देख के ही assume कर लेते हैं कि ये बड़ा होगा, right? But you have to find the length and breadth, then only you can say. Suppose I give you one chocolate which is in this shape and one chocolate which is in this shape. So which is bigger? You have to find out and then you can only say that this is bigger. I will give you some more example with this. Please write till that.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, from which date our school is going to open?
I have not any information. Once we receive the information, we will let you know.
Okay. Ma'am, but
Yes.
how rectangle have six?
This is the side of a square.
Oh, sorry.
I'm done.
Can I move?
Yes.
Now come on your textbooks. Area in its boundary. Whose slice is bigger? Path and Guinea bought aam papad, dried mango slice from a shop. Their pieces look like this. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. Suggest some ways to find out whose piece is bigger. Discuss a friend path and Guinea showed one way using the small squares. Now, as I already explained you that with the squares, you can also see which pieces, whose piece is bigger. So, in the one figure number A, it is the length is 6 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. And figure B, the length is 11 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. So whose big figure is now this is the figure which is square or a rectangle first of all. Both the figures are square or rectangle first of all. Tell me.
Rectangle.
Ma'am,
Both the
rectangle.
figures are rectangle. Why both the figures are rectangle? Because
Because the length and breadth are different.
yes, because the length and the breadths are different in this case. So now we first have to find out what is the area and the perimeter of the rectangle, as we have learned the area and the perimeter of the square. So now write it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, piece A has 22 centimeter.
Write the formula in the notebook first. Wait. Perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? What? Suppose this is a rectangle. Length equals to 4 centimeter.
Ma'am.
Breadth equals to 3 centimeter. Perimeter is either you have to add 4 sides. This is the simple method. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3?
7.
7. Again, this is also, this is 4. This is also 4 because in the rectangle opposite sides are same.
Same.
So this is also 3 centimeter. So if I tell you with the simple method,
14.
you don't.
Ma'am, 14 centimeter.
So what will be the answer?
14
14
centimeters.
Ma'am,
14
centimeter.
centimeter. And if I drive the formula with this, can you tell me what will be the formula of the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle, just now we have done in the by mistake in
Ma'am,
the
ma'am, double L plus double B.
yes, L plus B plus L plus B. If 2 times L and 2 times breadth is coming, so we will say we take out the 2 common and L plus B. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So 2, 4 plus 3 and 2 when bracket will open multiply 4 plus 3 is 7. So we will say it is 14 centimeter.
Ma'am, it's also called
Here
2.
also you use the centimeter. Here also you use the centimeter.
Ma'am, 2 bracket L
Why
plus
2 has
B.
come? Because there is 2 times length and 2 times breadth. And when bracket is there, this multiplication sign means times. So 2 times multiply with the 7. So 2 times multiply with the 7 gives you the 14 and centimeter, not the square centimeter meter, because it's a perimeter. Clear with the perimeter of a rectangle also?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the area of a rectangle? What will be the area of a rectangle?
Side into side.
Either side into side, but here in the rectangle you have length and breadth, two different
Let's
terms.
multiply by breadth.
Yes, क्योंकि दो डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन होंगी रेक्टेंगल में. स्क्वायर में एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन होती है साइड. That's why you are doing the side multiplication side by side, because all the four sides of a square are same. But in rectangle you have two information, that is length and the breadth, two different terms. That is why you are doing the length and the breadth. Am I clear? Can I move to the formula of area of a rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone? Noted down in the
No, ma'am.
notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
And I request everyone not to leave the class, as you know that I am now started putting your names in the classroom. So please don't leave the class before timing. It is a request to everyone. I'm erasing this part now. Now write area of a rectangle. Length equals to 4 centimeter and breadth equals to 3 centimeter. So what will be the formula?
Ma'am,
4
plus 4 multiplied by 3.
Let me talk with-
By breadth.
What will be the formula, Rudra Jajadia?
4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3.
Then it will be a perimeter. आप पूरा बाउंड्री को ऐड कर रहे हो, 2 times 4 and 2 times 3 को ऐड कर रहे हो, then it will be a perimeter. When it will be an area, then you have to find out.
Then 3 multiplied by 4.
Yes. Then it will be L
Length
multiplied by breadth.
breadth.
So 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter.
12
What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 12 centimeter.
12 square centimeter. It's a area. My dear students, you are learning it from grade 4.
Yes.
Done, everyone?
Ma'am, no.
Now tell me, according to the area and perimeter which we have done, now which piece is bigger, the piece A or piece B?
Ma'am, piece B.
Please B.
So,
Piece B.
Trisha, what will be the area of a piece B?
25 centimeter.
Piece
Ma'am, can I
B?
say?
Area?
Can I-
B.
Area?
No. Perimeter.
Ma'am, can I say area?
will be
Khevna?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I Khevna
Ma'am,
say?
can I?
33 centimeter.
And what will be
Ma'am,
the
33
perimeter?
centimeter.
And perimeter will
Ma'am,
be
26. Ma'am, 26 centimeter.
33.
Ma'am, 26
28.
centimeter.
28
So
centimeter.
11 plus 11 is 22.
No, yes, ma'am, 28.
28.
28.
And this is 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 10 is
22.
22. And what will be the area of this
28.
figure?
30.
Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, 33.
centimeter.
33, ma'am.
So we can say figure B is
The bigger.
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 The length of a piece A is 6 centimeters. So 6 squares of 1 centimeter can be arranged. How many squares will be arranged in the length of first figure A, students?
Ma'am, 30.
अगर 1 centimeter
30
का
squares.
listen my question carefully. If 1 centimeter का square है, तो length में कितने arrange होंगे?
6.
6.
और breadth में कितने arrange होंगे?
Ma'am, 5.
5.
5. So 5 squares can be arranged along its width, and the breadth is the same thing. Go to the next page. All together, how many pieces? So, or if the length में 6 है, breadth में 5 है, same हम इसको fill करना चाहते हैं. So what will be the all
30
together?
squares.
30
30. So please
square centimeters.
write
Square.
30 squares only, because they are asking how many squares. So write 30 squares. So it is the A. What will be the area of piece A? Please write in the textbook. What will be the area
36 centimeters.
of A?
Ma'am, 30. 30.
30 square centimeters.
13.
Please write in the
Yes,
textbook.
ma'am.
How 14? Aryaman? Aryaman,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
clear? बेटा 6 इन द लेंथ, तो आपको वो पूरा भी तो करना है ना फिगर. आपने तो जस्ट ऐड कर दिया 6 + 5 करके.
Okay, ma'am.
When you complete that figure with the 1 centimeter square, then only you will get the complete area and the
Yes.
perimeter, na? Got
Ma'am,
it?
I have a doubt
Yes,
in this one.
Now, yes, please ask.
Ma'am, on page number 147.
Tell me, Samriddhi. The blue
Yeah.
square is given, na?
Yeah. Ma'am, I can't
Tell me.
understand the first question that is given.
In the
Altogether,
same way, find the area of a piece B.
No, ma'am, not that one. Altogether, how many square can be arranged on it?
हाँ, all together means आपको अगर मैं इतना incomplete ही दूं, length given है, breadth given है,
Yeah.
so find the area and then it will be completed the figure. Not understood till it now. Samriddhi, yes or no? Samriddhi,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking
Yes,
something.
ma'am. Yes,
If this
ma'am.
is the figure given just now, we have started with that only. And if this is given,
4 multiplied by 3.
तो क्या मुझे आप बता सकते हो इसका एरिया क्या है फिगर का? This is example. This is not exactly same as the textbook. This is an example. अगर मैंने इतना ही incomplete figure आपको दिया है, so tell me what will be the area of this figure? What?
Ma'am, this is a square.
1 centimeter square है ये. So 1, 2, 3, 4 length हो गई. 4 centimeter हो गई length. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter breadth हो गई.
33.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So 4 multiply by 4.
हाँ.
4 multiply by 4, 16 centimeter.
16. और अब आप देखो भी, मैं फिल करती हूँ इसको एग्जैक्टली इनके नीचे, तो अब आप देख लोगे कि आपका आंसर सही है कि नहीं है. काउंट करो 16 स्क्वायर्स है कि नहीं है.
Yes, it's
तो बिना इनको फिल किए ही हमने सिर्फ इनकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, या साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड कर दिया, बिकॉज इट्स देयर सेम विद द लेंथ एंड द ब्रेथ. सो हमने एग्जैक्टली एरिया निकाल दिया बिना फिल किए, विदाउट आवर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग.
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
Yes, understood. Now find the area and the perimeter of the figure which is given in your textbook. Tell me.
30 centimeter.
First of all, you have to tell me which figure is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3,
Rectangle.
4, 5. Rectangle. Now, Arna Agarwal will tell me. Arna, how many squares are in the length and how many squares are in the breadth? Arna or Ekansh, you can tell me, please.
Ma'am, 6 pieces are in the length. And
Yes,
5
ma'am. 6 pieces are in the length.
5 are in the breadth. Yes. So which
Yes,
figure is
ma'am.
this? Which figure is this? It's a rectangle or the square?
Square.
Square.
Rectangle, ma'am, rectangle.
Rectangle.
Don't guess the answers. Give the confirm answers, because if you put a lenient mistake, it will be completely wrong. I'm just simply asking which figure is this? It's a square or a rectangle?
Rectangle.
Why? Will you explain this?
Ma'am, because means the opposite sides are same.
Same.
And
Opposite sides are same.
Ma'am,
And-
And length and breadth are
the
different.
length. Yes.
So this is an rectangle figure. Now, if you are clear with the figure, जब आपको पता लग गया, you have already clear out that this is a rectangle figure. And if I now ask, what will be the area of this figure?
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, and what will be the perimeter of this figure?
Ma'am, 22.
Ma'am, 22.
22
22.
Ma'am, 22.
Perimeter is 22 centimeter and the area will be 30 square centimeter. What? Perimeter में आपने क्या किया? You have just added the boundaries only. You have added 6, then plus 5, plus 6 and plus 5. बाहर का ही करा. Now when you are, I am telling the area, then what you are doing? You are multiplying 6 with the 5 and then finding the area. And 6 5 is 30 square centimeter. Are you all clear with the perimeter and the area of the rectangle and the square?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to send you the worksheet based on this, and then you have to do it. Next class, we will do the area and perimeter with the different figures. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.